Let's now check whether belt buckles will pass the 3-rule test. Let's go to Amazon and see whether this niche has products selling for at least $50 that have at least 50 4 and 5-star reviews. Okay, so we are now on the Amazon product listings page. The first thing you would want to note is that there are no products selling at or around $50 on the first page. Most of these are selling for less than $10. That usually is not a good sign. The listings are sorted by relevance. Ideally, on the very first page, you would want to see at least a couple of products that are selling for $50 or more and have at least 50 or 100 4 and 5-star reviews. That is not so for belt buckles. Let's see the second page. This one here is selling for $45 and has more than 1000 reviews, but it's a belt and not a belt buckle. Things do not look very good on the second page either. Let's see page 3. There's one here selling for more than $100, but it has no reviews and it's a belt and not a belt buckle. So far, we have not found one product that meets our criteria. At this stage, we can conclude this cannot be a niche by itself. We should not build a site just around belt buckles. What that means is, this can be part of a much bigger niche site, like a site around belts or men's accessories. We could build a site around men's accessories and include a section about belts for men in it. But you would not want to build a site exclusively around belt buckles. The products are priced way below the $50 mark we are looking at.